Today we're making avocado salsa, otherwise known as Taco Shop Guac. Really simple recipe, lots of flavors, really tangy. We're gonna be using tomatillos, which you can get pretty much anywhere. There's a couple ways you can go with this. I'm doing it raw, but if you'd like to, put it on the grill or roast them, you totally can, but I like the flavor and the tanginess. I don't want it sweet, and that's what roasting does. It makes these tomatillos a little sweet, so I like it tangy, especially when we're doing something as fat heavy as avocado. So we do the tomatillos. I have some onion, some Anaheim chilies, garlic. Now, when it comes to the chili, you can do any chili you want. If you want jalapenos or serranos or whatever, Fresnos, I have serranos because I like it a little more spicy. And I have some lime. Now, the thing about limes, when you're squeezing limes, a simple hack is to throw the whole lime in the microwave, kick it on for like 10-15 seconds, and the juices in the lime become warm, so you can get more out of your limes that way. So we'll go ahead and start this. If you want to put this in a blender, you totally can, but I'm going to use this. So this is the consistency we're looking for right here, wet, and now we can add the final ingredients. And this is going to be like really tart, even though it doesn't have the avocado yet. Just want to taste it. Nicely tart, really spicy. Now when it comes to salt, if something's gonna be cold, you gotta really hit it with salt because the cold takes away the flavor of the salt. If you're gonna heat something up, and this is gonna be a hot salsa, you really want to get it to temperature first and then hit it with the salt so you don't over salt. So here's your cilantro. I like a lot. And then the avocado. Get a little pepper. And then mix. And that's it. We could check it for flavor now. It's nicely thick. And that's it. We have Taco Shop Guac and a really nice salsa.